In this tutorial, I will show you how to construct a quadratic equation. Constructing a quadratic equation in easy way. If you are new into this channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting tutorial content. So first, I'm given this question. Given that 3x squared plus 5x minus 1, it will be equals to 0. Construct equation whose root is 5 alpha and 5 beta. So this is the topic that most of the students may find it difficulty. So therefore, kindly concentrate and see how can I solve this kind of problem. I told you in the last video that I form an equation whose roots are, I think, alpha beta plus alpha plus beta, and then the second root is given by alpha beta minus beta. So you have to let, because we are given two equations, you have to let the first to be alpha or to be lambda 1 or lambda 2, as I said, or either x1 or x2. So the same thing as this question, we are given these roots 5 alpha and what, and 5 beta. So how can we solve it? Follow me. So solution, I have to first take a look to the equation, which says 3x squared plus what? Plus 5x minus 1, it will be equals to 0. The first thing you must to find the product of the root and sum of the root of what? Of your equation. So therefore, the next thing that I'm going to do is that the sum of the root alpha plus beta, it will be equals to what? Minus what? Minus b over a. So therefore, negative. The value of b, which is what? 5 divided by the value of what? Divided by the value of a, which is 3. So therefore, the sum of the root, it will be equals to minus 5 over 3. So therefore, this is negative what? 5 over 3. The next thing is what? Is the product of the roots. The product of the root, which is alpha beta, it is equals to c over a. The value of c, which is negative 1, divided by the value of a, the coefficient of the x squared, which is 3, which will be equals to negative 1 over 3. So this is the value of what? Alpha beta, which is negative 1 over 3. So this is the first step that you are going to do. You have to first identify what? The product of the root and sum of the root of what? Of the equation that you have been given. The next step is you have to pick the root that you are given. So these roots, 5 alpha and what? 5 beta, they are given so that we can construct a new equation with them. So you have to first make the roots to be the sum and what product. Like what? You have to say that 5 alpha plus what? 5 beta. And therefore, 5 alpha dot what? 5 beta. This is what I mean. So if I say that 5 alpha plus 5 beta is the same thing as if I figure out, if I factor out the 5, I will end up with 5 alpha plus what? Plus beta. Yeah. And therefore, this is the same thing as 5 multiplied by what? By alpha beta. Yeah. This is the same thing as this, because if I say that this multiplied by what? So this multiplied by this, it will give me what? 5 alpha. Again multiplied by 5 multiplied by this, it will give me multiplied by what? 5 beta. 5 multiplied by it will give me 5 alpha plus what? This multiplied to give me 5 beta. So this is how it is. So I already have the value of alpha plus beta, which is the sum of the root, and I already have the value of alpha beta, which is the product of the roots. So let me show you. So I have to say 5 multiplied by alpha plus beta, the sum of the roots. So the sum of the roots, it is what? Let me check. Yeah, it is what? Multiplied by negative what? Negative 5 over 3. And here it is also 5 multiplied by the product of the root, which is multiplied by negative 1 over 3. Yes, I have it. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that I have to say that 5 multiplied by 5, it will give me what? Negative 25 over 3. Yes. So the next thing in here, what am I going to do? But don't forget that If I say that 5 multiplied by what? -1, I will end up with -5 over what? Over 3. But you have to know that I have two 5 here. So therefore, I have to what? Multiply them and then multiply it by what? By the alpha beta. Like how? I just made a mistake here because here it's supposed to be what? 25. Because if you multiplied 5 by 5, you will get 25. And then alpha by what? By this beta, it will become what? Alpha beta. So you have to take care of this. Care must be taken in this kind of what? In this kind of question. So therefore this it will be automatically equals to what? 25 multiplied by -1 over 3, it will be equals to -25 over 3. So as usual, this is supposed to be what? It will be equals to 3x squared, or the new equation, it might be equals to x squared, the sum of the root, which is what? I have positive sign here, so I have to keep the positive sign, and then I have to take the sum of the root, which is 25 over what? Over 3. Sorry, I have 3 here. So from what? From the equation. So therefore, I have to say minus what? I have negative sign here. This is what the product of the root, which is 25 over 3, it will be equals to 0. Yes. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that I have 3 in common. This 3 is common, so therefore I have to eliminate the 3 and keep my equation as what? 3x squared plus what? 25x minus what? 25, it will be equals to what? 0. So therefore this is the equation. So therefore you have to take note that you might be able to put this 3 and therefore you might not to put what? To put this 3. But as usual, because you are constructing an equation, you have to eliminate the 3 and just keep your equation like this, which is x squared plus 25x minus what? 25, and it will be equal to 0. So this is all I have for you for how to construct an equation in quadratic equation. Do share to your learning colleagues to know more about what? The theory of quadratic equation. Kindly press the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new content. Thank you for watching.